Understanding, keep warm and safe. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a commonly used English phrase, keep warm and safe. It's a phrase you might hear often, especially during colder seasons or in discussions about well-being. Let's explore what it means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Keep warm and safe is a phrase composed of two main parts, keep warm and keep safe. Keep warm. This part of the phrase is straightforward. It's a friendly reminder to stay protected against the cold. Whether it's wearing enough clothes, staying indoors during cold weather, or finding ways to generate warmth, the goal is to avoid the discomfort and potential health issues that come with being cold. Keep safe. This is a general well-wishing that covers a broader range of safety measures. It could refer to physical safety, like being cautious on slippery roads, or more general well-being, including staying healthy and avoiding dangerous situations. You can use this phrase in various contexts, making it versatile for English speakers. Seasonal greetings. During autumn and winter, keep warm and safe is a perfect way to end conversations, showing care for the other person's well-being in colder weather. During health crises, in times of health emergencies or outbreaks, this phrase serves as a heartfelt reminder for loved ones to take precautions to stay healthy and out of harm's way. Safety reminders. Before someone embarks on a journey, especially in challenging weather conditions, keep warm and safe is a thoughtful way to express your concern for their safety. Let's look at some examples to see how keep warm and safe can be naturally incorporated into conversations. 1. In personal messages, it was great talking to you. With the cold wave coming, don't forget to keep warm and safe. 2. In professional emails, at the end of a winter holiday email, wishing you a joyful holiday season. Please keep warm and safe during this period. 3. Social media posts, sharing tips on staying warm and safe during winter, ending with, let's all keep warm and safe this season. Keep warm and safe is more than just a phrase. It's a warm gesture of care and concern for others' well-being. Whether you're bidding farewell to a friend on a chilly evening or signing off a winter holiday email, this phrase adds a touch of warmth and safety wishes to your conversations. We hope this video helps you understand and use keep warm and safe more confidently in your English communication. Stay warm and safe, everyone.